Hello guys, in today's video we're going to check out the best monitors for graphic designers. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about these monitors for graphic designers, you can check out the description below. And also don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with the latest technology reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, it's the Philips 276 E8V JSB. This monitor is a very amazing monitor for graphics designers, and the best thing about it is that it's not that expensive. It has a great resolution, produces sharp, rich and clear colours. It also has a pretty nice design which looks amazing and a very well built quality too. This monitor has many more great features that are a must for a graphic designer. Like I said, it has a simple and nice design. The stand is very nice and it holds the monitor pretty well, and it has a tilt-only stand and it's not VESA mount compatible. The design overall though is pretty nice and has a minimalistic and elegant look. It's a very nice monitor for multi-screen configurations. It has a single DisplayPort 1.2, two HDMI 2.0s and a headphone jack. It has the pretty nice image quality and it's based on an IPS panel. The Philips 276 E8V JSB is an LED monitor with an ultra-clear 4K UHD 3840 by 2160 resolution, which can produce 1.074 billion colours with smooth detail. It has the flicker-free technology with low blue mode, and thanks to these you'll have less eye fatigue. It has Energy Star 7.0 with 100% recyclable packaging materials. It has a 10-bit color depth that delivers rich color depth and 12-bit internal processing which creates smoother colors. The display also features ultra-narrow borders. These borders allow for minimal distractions and maximum viewing size, which is great. This is suited for multi-display and can be good also for tilting setups like graphic design or other professional applications. It also has another great feature, and that's multi-view technology. This one enables active dual to connect and you can work with multiple devices without a problem. It has an on-screen display that's controlled with a joystick that's placed beneath the bottom bezel of the screen, and the menu is pretty simple to navigate. This 4K IPS monitor is an excellent choice for people that want a great monitor for graphic design, and it's not very expensive. It has many more amazing features that you should check out. At number 4, it's the BenQ PD3200U. Another amazing monitor is the BenQ PD3200U. This monitor has a very nice resolution, a beautiful looking design, and overall the performance is great. It also has a very solid build quality and it's very durable. It can last for years without a problem. This monitor has many more great features that any graphic designer would love. Overall, it's a nice monitor that's capable of multitasking without a problem. It has a pretty nice and simple design. The bezels are ½ an inch thick and it uses a matte black cabinet for these bezels. The rectangular stand provides tilt, height, pivot and swivel adjustments. Also it has 4 VESA mounting holes, and overall it has a design that's not too flashy, but it doesn't look cheap either. It has 2 full-size HDMI inputs, an SD card slot, 2 display ports, 1 mini and one 1.2, a 3.5mm audio port and 2 USB 3.0 ports. It has a nice performance and the colour accuracy on this one is top-notch. This one is a 4K UHD monitor that produces very sharp visuals. It has a pretty nice 3840 by 2160p resolution, and the PPI, pixel per inch count, comes at 123.68. It has a native contrast ratio of 1000:1 and the viewing angles are pretty good. It produces 100% of the sRGB color gamut, and it also boasts a Rec 709, which is great for video production. It has flicker-free technology and the low blue light mode, which prevents eye strain. It has many professional modes, which are an amazing thing for a graphics designer. It has the darkroom mode, which is great and enables you to work comfortably in dark places or environments. The animation modes boost the brightness of the dark area, and it doesn't overexpose light areas of an image. It has many more great features that are ideal for a graphic designer or a professional content creator. If you have already decided to buy a monitor for graphics design, you should consider taking a look at the BenQ PD3200U because it has many great features that you might want to see. At number 3, it's the Philips Brilliance BDM 4065UC. This Philips monitor is a very decent looking monitor with plenty of features. It has a very nice resolution and can produce very sharp and vivid images. The design of this monitor is pretty minimalistic and it looks so premium. Also, the build quality is amazing and it's very durable too. If you want a great monitor for graphic design, you should consider taking a look at the Philips Brilliance BDM 4065UC. It's a very good looking monitor with a nice minimalistic design. The screen is surrounded by a slim bezel and the bottom houses a touch sensitive Philips logo that works as the power button. It has a pretty great looking stand that supports the monitor well, which is pretty slim. It has 2 HDMI connections, a D-sub connector, 2 headphone jacks, a mini DisplayPort and 4 USB connections. Unfortunately, the stand has no movement options, but it does support VESA, which is great. It has a nice screen with 4K UHD 3840 by 2160p resolution, and it features a 60Hz VA panel with true 8-bit color reproduction. It also has a response time coming up at 3 milliseconds and a contrast ratio of 50 million to 1, which can produce deep black level details. The multi-view technology of this monitor has picture-by-picture with 4 inputs and picture-in-picture with 2 inputs for maximum productivity. This monitor also has built-in 7-watt stereo speakers which produce great sound quality. It has an IPS display which can give you extra wide viewing angles of 178 degrees, and this makes it possible to view the display at almost any angle. It has many more great features that are ideal for a graphics designer. It can produce nice colours and it has great professional modes that can be useful for a video or photo editor. Overall, this monitor is a great one that has a very nice resolution, an amazing design, the build quality is top notch and it does not cost too much. It has many more superb features that you should check out. If you want a brilliant monitor, check out the Philips Brilliance BDM 4065UC and see what it has to offer. At number 2, it's the Asus ProArt PA34VC. Moving on, we have another excellent monitor that's an amazing choice for graphics design. It's the Asus ProArt PA34VC. This monitor has a very nice display and it can produce very sharp and clear images. It also has a very nice design with a pretty solid build quality. It has many more great features that make this monitor so good at graphics designing. The design of this monitor is pretty minimalistic and it looks so nice. It has pretty slim bezels, a circular stand and a nice brushed metal finish. It has a pretty good build quality and the stand supports the monitor very well. It serves 28 degrees of tilt, 60 degrees of swivel and 4.7 inches of height adjustment. Overall, it has a pretty nice design with a very minimalistic look and great build quality. It has 2 Thunderbolt 3 ports, a DisplayPort and 3 HDMI 2.0 ports. It has a resolution of 3440 by 1440p with a 21:9 display. The images on this one are pretty great. It displays sharp, vivid colours. The ultra-wide QHD display provides amazing detail which makes multitasking more efficient and enjoyable. It's a very great monitor built for video producers and graphics designers, and the colour accuracy on this one is top-notch. It has a 100Hz refresh rate, which makes this monitor also great for gaming. It can handle 95% of the sRGB colour gamut and is pre-calibrated for astonishing colour accuracy. It has enough brightness levels at 287 CD per m squared. It has a contrast ratio of 1195 to 1, which is great for photography and design. The build quality is also amazing and has many more nice features that can help you a lot with your work. If you want one of the best monitors for graphics design, you should take a look at the Asus ProArt PA34VC. At number 1, it's the Eizo CG2420BK. One of the best monitors for graphics design is the Eizo CG2420. This one has a very nice resolution and delivers very sharp and colourful images. It has a unique design and it looks pretty good too. It has a decent build quality and it's very durable. Overall, this monitor is one of the best monitors for graphic designs and it has many great features that any photo or video editor would love. It is an expensive monitor, but in my opinion, it's worth the money. Like I said, it has a very unique design and it looks pretty cool. It's specifically designed for graphics designers and video editors. It has an automated screen calibration sensor which is located in the front bezel. It's designed to provide great features and specs required for colour-accurate content production. It supports the VESA mounting and overall the design of this monitor is pretty cool. It has a nice 1920 by 1200 with 400 CD per meter squared of brightness level and with a contrast ratio of 1500 to 1. It provides 99% of Adobe RGB coverage and it has 10 millisecond response time. It has an HDMI input, a DisplayPort, a USB 2.0 port and DVI-D. It's one of the best monitors for graphic design thanks to the colour accuracy. It has a built-in calibration sensor that flips down from the top bezel. It has many more amazing features. It has a 24-inch screen and the dimensions of this monitor are 25 by 20 by 12 inches. It weighs around 17 pounds in total. It has a refresh rate of 60 Hz with an LED lit display and an aspect ratio of 16:10. Overall, it's an amazing monitor for a professional graphic designer, content creator, or photo or video editor. It has an interesting design with nice build quality, amazing color accuracy, and many more superb features that make this monitor so special for professional work. If you've already decided to buy a monitor for graphics design, you should definitely check out the Eizo CG2420 BK and see if it's the one you were looking for. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.